Hi, welcome to episode 7 of 40 Years, 40 Reasons, discussing CAD integration. A powerful and versatile CAM system like GibbsCAM provides interoperability for all major CAD systems. When you are thinking of switching to another CAM solution, you need to benchmark this topic. You probably get files from older CAD systems as well as new ones. Parts designed 2 or 3 decades ago are still being made from old, unmodified CAD files, while new parts are delivered in the latest CAD formats. As a job shop, you produce parts coming from many different CAD systems. If your customers are larger companies, you may have to import files from Creo, CATIA, or NX. If you are part of the current trend, you are probably using a modern CAD system for design modeling and leaving your CAM system strictly for part preparation and CNC programming. For all these reasons, you probably need your CAM system to be able to import files from any CAD system and not be limited to a single CAD system. CAM software should be seamless with CAD.